Hello everyone and welcome to your new room 103, at least for the next 5 weeks. So here I have the different answers and I'm going to explain how I got each one. So number 7 is asking for all the pairs of corresponding angles. So here, you just take a look at all the corresponding angles. We have angles 1 and 5, angles 3 and 7, angles 2 and 6, and angles 4 and 8. Notice they're on the same spot on top and the bottom of the transversal of the parallel lines, so they correspond to the same exact spot on a different section. Number 8 says name both pairs of alternate exterior angles. So here you would have 2 and 7, and then 1 and 8, and those are obviously equal. And then it says name the relationship between angle 3 and angle 6. If you take a look at angle 3 and angle 6, they're inside of the parallel lines on opposite sides, so they are alternate exterior angles. And then angle 4 and angle 6 are both inside of the parallel lines here, and they're both on the same side, so they're same side interior angles, and those always add up to 180. That piece of information will be very important for problems 15 and 16 later. Now for these ones here, we're going to be looking at this diagram over here, and it says the measure of angle AGE when the measure of angle FHD is 30. AGE and FHD are alternate exterior angles, so the answer is angle AGE is 30 degrees. Here, let's see, so for number 12, it's asking for the measure of angle AGH when CHF is 150, so since AGH and CHF are corresponding, AGH is 150 degrees. For number 13, since it's asking for CHF, BGE is 110, we know that BGE and CHF are alternate exterior angles, so we know that the measure of angle CHF is 110 degrees. And number 14, it's asking for the measure of angle CHG when we know that HGA is 120. Since CGH and AGA are same side interior angles, we know that those are going to be equal to 180. Since one is 120, the remaining one has to be 60 degrees because they're supplementary. So here, 15 and 16 are a little bit trickier. It's asking you for BGH. Obviously, you can't find BGH if you don't know GHD. So the first thing you have to do is find out what X is, because obviously here it's 3X. That's what the angle is, it's 3X. So we know that those two angles, BGH and GHD, are both same side interior, so they're going to be equal to 180. So we take the expression from one angle, add it to the expression of the other angle, and you get 3x here, 2x plus 50, which is GHD measure, and those are going to equal 180. We're going to solve for x, so you subtract 50 from both sides, combine like terms, you end up getting x equals 26, and then you end up substituting x, you end up substituting 26 for x. So if x is 26, obviously 3x is 78 degrees. So the measure of angle BGH is 78 degrees. And obviously, since we know these two are going to be same side interior, we already know that this is 102, but here's the actual work for it. So we know that the expression for that angle is 2x plus 50. Just put in 26 for x, and you get 2 times 26 is 52, plus 50 is 102. So the measure of angle GHD is 102. So going back to our diagram, the angle with 3x is going to be 78 degrees, and the one right below it is going to be 102. Those are same side interior, so they are going to be equal to 180 when we add them up together. Again, here is the work that I have. I'll kind of change the viewpoint on this so you can kind of see it a little bit better. And I will, I've already put a snapshot of this on Instagram for you to see. So like I said before, For those of you that tried this, good job. For those of you that didn't, it's obviously not graded, but I just want you guys to keep up with the geometry aspect of it, just so you guys are ready for next year. Um, you know, given that we don't know how long this is going to last for. So, again, I know some of you have asked questions, and that's great. If there's anything you're confused about at all, or if there's anything you want to know more about, please let me know. I will probably post the next assignment on Sunday. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and as always, thanks for watching, and stay safe.